Do you need an LLC to flip houses? This is a common question for many entering the real estate investment arena, especially those interested in the flipping business. In this video, we'll explore the advantages and disadvantages of using a limited liability company for house flipping. We aim to provide you with a detailed understanding to help you decide whether forming an LLC is the right strategy for your real estate endeavors. And by the way, if you're looking to start your very own LLC, I highly recommend signing up with Northwest Registered Agents. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out. If you use my link down in the description of this video, you can take advantage of a special offer where you can form your own LLC for as little as $39. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. First of all, let's try to understand the house flipping business. Flipping houses is when an investor buys a property to sell it for a profit, not to live in it. Investors focus on quickly buying and then reselling homes, often doing this many times to make money regularly. The main goal is to buy a property at a low price and sell it at a higher price. Unlike long-term investments, flipping requires selling the property quickly to reduce the risk and cost of holding onto it. Costs like mortgage payments, utilities, and taxes add up every day the property isn't sold. Flippers can make money if property prices are rising quickly or they improve the house to increase its value. For example, buying a rundown house in a popular area, fixing it up, and selling it for more because of the improvements and desirable location. Benefits of using an LLC for flipping houses. In short, house flipping involves buying properties, making improvements, and selling them at a profit. However, it comes with its fair share of risks, such as unexpected renovation costs and potential accidents on the property. One way to manage these risks is by forming a limited liability company, or LLC. This type of business structure provides several advantages. Firstly, when you operate under an LLC, your personal assets like your home, car, and savings are usually protected. This is because an LLC legally separates your personal finances from those of your business. So, if something goes wrong in your flipping business, only the business's assets are at risk, not your own. This separation is crucial for protecting yourself financially. Another significant advantage of an LLC is the benefit of pass-through taxation. Unlike corporations, which are taxed on their profits and then their shareholders are taxed again on the dividends, an LLC allows the business's profits or losses to pass through to your personal tax return. This means you avoid double taxation, potentially saving you a significant amount of money, which simplifies the tax filing process. Additionally, banks and other lenders tend to view LLCs more favorably than sole proprietorships or partnerships. This is because an LLC appears more professional and stable, which can make it easier to secure loans. Access to more financing options can help you grow your flipping business faster by allowing you to take on larger or more projects. The tax flexibility of an LLC is also a major plus. As an LLC, you can choose how you want to be taxed, like a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Each option has its own benefits, and you can select the one that best fits your financial needs. This kind of flexibility can help you maximize your tax advantages and better manage your finances. Furthermore, operating as an LLC lends a degree of credibility to your business. Clients, partners, and lenders often view LLCs as more professional and trustworthy compared to individuals who operate without any formal business structure. This added credibility can open doors to new business opportunities, partnerships, and clients, giving your flipping business a competitive edge. Lastly, compared to corporations, LLCs are easier to manage. They require fewer formalities, such as board meetings and complex record keeping, which means you can focus more on the day-to-day operations of flipping houses instead of getting bogged down by paperwork. Additionally, having an LLC helps you establish a brand for your business. A strong brand can make your flipping projects more appealing to buyers and can attract more investors and partners. Potential disadvantages of an LLC for house flipping. While forming an LLC offers many benefits, there are also some potential disadvantages to consider. For instance, even though an LLC provides liability protection, banks might still require you to sign a personal guarantee for loans. This means that you could still be personally liable if the LLC fails to repay the loan. Such requirements somewhat dilute the protective benefits of an LLC. Also, setting up and maintaining an LLC involves more paperwork and compliance with more regulations than operating as a sole proprietorship. You will need to file articles of organization with your state, maintain proper records, and adhere to any applicable state laws. While not as demanding as the paperwork required for corporations, these tasks can still be daunting if you're not prepared. Furthermore, most states require LLCs to pay annual or biennial fees and file reports. There are also initial costs to establish an LLC, such as filing fees for the articles of organization. These fees vary by state, but typically are around $100. While these fees aren't usually prohibitive, they are additional costs that you'll need to budget for. How to form an LLC. If you've decided that forming an LLC is the right choice for your house flipping business, the process is straightforward. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to getting started. First, choose your state. It's usually best to form your LLC in the state where you plan to do business. If you'll operate in multiple states, you may need to register in each of those states. Next, name your LLC. Your LLC's name must be unique and adhere to your state's naming rules. Typically, the name must include LLC or limited liability company, and avoid terms that are restricted unless you have the proper qualifications such as bank or insurance. Then, select a registered agent. Every LLC must have a registered agent, a person or business that handles legal documents on behalf of your LLC. This agent must be based in the state where your LLC is registered. Then, file articles of organization. This is the formal document that officially forms your LLC. You file it with the State Business Entity Registration Office, usually the Secretary of State. Then, create an LLC operating agreement. Although not required in every state, this document sets out the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. It's a good internal document to have to structure your business relationships within your LLC. Obtain an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is needed to open a business bank account and for tax purposes. It's free and can be obtained from the IRS. Comply with other legal requirements. Depending on your state, you might need to file additional documents or adhere to other regulations such as annual reports or extra state taxes. So, flipping houses can be a lucrative business, and forming an LLC offers significant advantages from legal protection to tax benefits. However, it's essential to understand both the benefits and the potential drawbacks before making a decision. If you're ready to take the next step in professionalizing your house flipping business and protecting your assets, consider setting up an LLC. And if you would like to get the best deal in the market, then I highly recommend signing up to Northwest Registered Agents. If you use my link down in the description of this video, you can set up your own LLC for as little as $39 with Northwest Registered Agents. And if you use my link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.